Am I wrong for picking the same name for my baby as my brother-in-law's unborn baby? My 31 female, husband 33 male, and his brother 36 male aren't super close, but we all get along well. My brother-in-law is pretty nice overall, but he does seem a bit jealous of my husband and just everything we have. My husband told me that it's always been like this, so it's not really a big deal. I'm currently pregnant with a baby girl, our first baby, and we've been discussing possible names. There's one that we're pretty sure of. It's not super out there, but I think it's pretty unique nowadays and I really like it. The issue is, this is the name that my brother-in-law and his girlfriend had picked out for their baby 3 years ago, if it was a girl, because they didn't know yet. Unfortunately, the baby didn't make it. His girlfriend chose the name from her favorite ballet, and I remember that she would say if she ever had a daughter, she would definitely name her that. We were at a family event over the weekend, and I mentioned that we had that name in mind. My brother-in-law looked kind of surprised and said that it was the name that they had picked for their daughter. My husband said that we know and we just thought it was a really nice name. My brother-in-law started asking if we could reconsider and that there were other names, and this one is really special to him. I said that we decided on the name and that he actually didn't even know if his baby was going to be a boy or a girl. He was upset and kept saying that we should reconsider. I got a little mad and told him that he doesn't own the name and they should be hoping for a healthy baby rather than worrying about the name. My brother-in-law finally dropped it after that, but my sister-in-law, my husband's sister, told me and my husband that we don't care and we're intentionally hurting him. So, are we wrong for picking the same name that my brother-in-law was going to choose for his daughter?